Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, welcome back for another video. Hope you're doing well. Let's work out resistance band for today. Something easy, 10 to 20 kg I think, or 10 to 20 pounds, something like this, something not very heavy. It will help you posture, lower back, legs as well. Let me see how thing goes. So step by step I will try to show you something very useful you can do at home. I saw from my subscribers like age is something around like 35, 65. So I want to record something more simple and more useful for most of you that you can do at home or in the gym or somewhere else. Let's work first. I will start with something very simple for our upper body and then let's move forward. First, open your resistance band. I will start back to you because this way you can see how my back works. Then from here, you just grab this way your resistance band, and then nice and easy you squeeze your upper body and then you push backwards. Keep your arms straight. The most important here is try to relax your trapeze. Try to not work with your shoulders. Just relax and push towards the side. So let's inhale first. Exhale. Drive your arms forward. Inhale first. Exhale. We're gonna do 10 times. Here we go. 2. Squeeze your upper body. 3, 4. Go ahead. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and release. Nice one. Don't skip your upper body workouts because we have mainly two very strong parts of our body, back muscles and leg muscles. So these two parts are very important. If you will have very strong back and very strong legs, trust me, you will live much longer and happier. Come on, second set. Inhale first. Get ready. I'll do second set face to you. Let's work. Keep working. 2, 3, go ahead. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and release. Nice one. This is very useful and simple practice. Inhale first. Exhale. One more deep inhale. Exhale. Here we go, next one. Open your resistance band, you step forward, then you move your butt back, lower a little bit, your arms, rotate them outside. From here, we're gonna raise our arms up and back. Arms up and back. Keep in mind one thing, take care of your low back, try to not rotate your pelvis forward, keep your back flat, arch a little bit even more, and then this way you will feel much more stable and happier. Also, your arms, you need to drive them up as much as you can. Here we go. Get ready. We do 10 times. Inhale first. Move your low back, your butt back. Inhale first. Let's work. Drive your arms up. Keep holding. 2, 3. Go ahead. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and back up. Nice one. Inhale first. Exhale. One more deep inhale. Exhale. Come on. Second set, same thing. Here we go. Open your leg square, 30 centimeters wide. Go down a little bit. Move your butt back. Keep your arms straight, rotate them out, and let's work. Inhale first, 10 times. Exhale, here we go. 2, 3, go ahead. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and back up. Good one. You can feel here lower back as well, upper back as well. Very useful thing. And it is suitable almost for everyone. I mean, if you don't have a big injuries in your lower back or somewhere else, like you can buy the thinner one, the thinner resistance band. It will be even less tension on your body. Okay, we continue. Very useful thing. Step on, step on. Then what we're gonna do next from here is starting from our right arm. You can just place your left leg inside for better safety. Then you bend your right arm. From here we're gonna push one time forward, one time towards the side. So forward is more arms and core, towards the side is more our lat muscles. Inhale first, exhale, here we go, 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, go ahead. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Awesome. Release. Inhale first. Exhale. Switching side. Step, right one. If you want to have less tension, just put your leg closer. If you want to be feel more tight, more pressure, just open towards the side more. Here we go. Inhale first. Bend your arm and exhale. Let's start. Towards the right side we drive. Exhale. First in front. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Awesome. Release. You'll feel your lat very good. Mainly people struggle with their upper body weakness, like people are seated too much. A lot of them, they are like seated this way working or driving the car. So back muscles and leg muscles, they're very important. Also about pain, like back pain or low back pain. Sometimes your lower back pain, it is related with your stiffness in your upper body. And in the same time, sometimes your upper body pain is related with your lower back weakness or posture. If it is here, then anyway it will affect your thoracic spine. So keep in mind all these things. Here we go. Second set. Towards the left, I would say, so left leg inside, right one up. Bend. Here we go. Front toward the left. Inhale. Let's work. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Awesome. Release. Inhale first. Exhale. Here we go. Switch. Right leg inside. Left. Step on. Here we go. You bend. Stay strong. Keep your posture straight. Look forward. Inhale first. Let's work towards the right side. 1, 2, 3. Go ahead. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Awesome. Release. Inhale first. Exhale. Nice one. One more deep inhale. Exhale. We continue. Next one will be nice and easy for your legs and knees and lower back and butt at the same time. You just open your resistance band, place your left leg inside, hold it tight, bend your arms, hold it tight. Then from here, you just bend your knee in front of you. Then what we're gonna do, we're gonna push with our left leg backwards. You need to feel your butt, you need to feel your lower back in the same time. And back to the middle. We're gonna do 12 times on each leg. Inhale first. Exhale, let's work. Push, 1, 2. Push back a little bit, 3, 4. Try to not push it too low. 5. Go ahead. 6, 7. Awesome. 8, 9, 10. 2 more. 1 more. 2. And back. Release. Inhale first. Exhale. We switch side. Right one. Get ready. Inhale first. Let's start pushing back. 2. Squeeze your butt. 3. Push. 4, 5. Go ahead. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2 more. 1 more. 2. And back. Release. Nice one. These kind of simple moves will help you to maintain your daily functional strength, which is very important. Of course, if you want to progress, only this will not be enough. You need something heavier, something more tighter. I mean, you can add more weight or more endurance, but don't forget, like, you need to start with something small first. Here we go. Left, right. One more set. Inhale first. Let's work 12 times. Push. 1, 2. Go ahead. 3, 4. Keep working. 5. Awesome. 6. Push. 7. Push. 8, 9, 10. Keep working. 2 more. 1 and 2. Good. Release. Inhale first. We switch side. Exhale. Here we go. Right leg. Get ready, bend. Rotate your pelvis. Stay straight. Inhale. Let's work. 12 times. Go ahead. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2 more. 1, 2. And back. Good. Release. Inhale first. Exhale. Next thing, let's do back lunge with upper body. How we're gonna look? Let me start with the leg first. So bend your left leg in front, open your arms straight in front of you. Then from here, we're gonna lounge back and we're gonna raise our arms up and back up. Lounge back, push up and back up. We're gonna do 10 times on each side. Let's work. Inhale first. Exhale, let's work. And back. 2, 3, go ahead. 4, 5. Push from your straight arms. Also 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Release. Inhale first. Exhale. Here we go. We switch side. Left one inside, right one towards the side bend. Right leg goes back, arms goes up. Inhale first. Here we go. 10 times. And back. 2, 3, 4. Push. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And back up. Relax. Inhale first. Exhale. Let's move. Get ready. By the way, if you want to rest in between more, just Inhale more a few times, exhale more a few times, and take your time. Here we go. We're gonna start with our left leg first. Inhale. Get ready, left leg moves back. 2, go ahead. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and back up. Nice one. Upper body, lower body, everything is working here. Very efficient. Inhale first. Exhale. Let's switch. Right leg go back 10 times. Get ready. Inhale. Here we go. 10 times. Exhale. And back. 2, 3, 4. Go ahead. 5. Keep working. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and back. Good one. Inhale first. Exhale. Last one. Back exercise. They're useful and helpful. I think we saw it before. I did it before, but then we'll do it one more time. So what we're gonna do from here, just fall forward, keep your back flat. I will grab lower, and then from here you just need to squeeze your upper back, push your elbows closer to your body and push them as high as possible. So we're gonna do two sides 10 times. Inhale. Exhale, let's push. 2, 3, keep working. 4, squeeze your upper body. 6, 7, let's work. 8, keep moving. 9, 10, good, release. Nice one. Inhale first. Exhale. One more set of this and we are done. Get ready. Grab, step on your resistance band. Let's work 10 times. Inhale first. Here we go. Push. Up. 2. Squeeze your upper body. 3, 4, 5. Drive your elbows back. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and back. Good one. That's it. Inhale first. Exhale. Let's add some simple mobility that you can do at home. Of course, nice and easy. First, toes on the ground, knees on the ground. Rotate your pelvis. We're gonna do a few times from here, down facing dog, and then back up to your knee position. Inhale first, we're gonna do 10 times. Go. 1 and back. 2. Try to flex your legs always as straight as possible. 3, 4, 5. Open your chest. 6. Stretch your hamstrings. 7, 8, 9. Last one, hold. 10. And just hold here. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. From here we just step forward a little bit with our arms, roll forward, upper facing dog. Knees on the ground, just hold here, breathe. 3, 2, 1, and back up. Nice one. That's it. We are done for today. Nice and easy one. Hope you like it, hope you enjoy it. Take care of yourself. Wish you all the best. Peace.